Is your PC slow, freezing, taking forever to open apps? Before you upgrade your RAM, before you buy a new PC, stop. Because there's one hidden settings inside Windows that can instantly make your PC feel up to 10 times faster, and most people have never touched it. In this video, I'll show you exactly where it is, what it does, and why it dramatically boosts performance, especially on older and low-end PCs. Let's unlock maximum speed. So to make your PC 10 times faster, we are going to disable visual effect for maximum performance. So to do that, I'm going to press on the Windows logo key and R to bring the run. Then I type sysdm.cpl, okay? Then I press on the OK button. So this is the system properties, okay? So you are going to click on the advanced. So under the advanced under performance, you are going to click on settings. So at the performance option under visual effect, let Windows choose what's best for my computer is selected. But for best performance, we are going to click on the adjust for best performance, okay? Then we click on apply and then OK. And then we click on OK. So what this does is it disables animations, shadows, transparency, and visual effect, okay? It makes you keep a clean visuals but gain serious speed. So this is how to make your PC 10 times faster by disabling the visual effect. This brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, then please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.